Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY&Crafts. In today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys how I decorate my front porch or in front of my door for the Easter. If this is something you're interested in, you can go ahead and see how I make this front door wreath. I'm going to be linking that video right after this video, and also in the iCard above, you can check that out. Now guys, I'm just making this video as it's really short. Everything that you see here in front of my door is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, as we all know, the Dollar Tree has different sections now. Let me tell you, my Dollar Tree has a scanner now, and I think the reason why they have a scanner is because now that they have different sections, so people can't mix up the $1 item with the $5 item, the $10 item, and you name it. They're gonna be having $100 item next. Don't worry, they need to change that name. So anywho, I'm just showing you guys the chicken is from the Dollar Tree section. They were $5. These large eggs are from the Dollar Tree in the $5 section. So I had 2 of those chickens. That was $10. 2 of the eggs. That was another 10, so that's 20. The mat, that was 5, so that's 25. And all the items on the door was about $6 to make it, with some of the other stuff I have from home. So around $35 in total this cost me to make my front door kind of bring life from the winter to the spring coming. And I absolutely love how gorgeous it is walking up to the front door. So now guys, I haven't been posting as I always have because guys, guess what, I'm very busy getting ready for craft show. It's that time of the year again where everybody's going out doing all these things, and my goal for this year is to spread my craft wider and get to a wider population, which means I have to start going to local craft fairs and stuff. I do try online and stuff like that, but I just prefer meeting people in person. So I have a lot of stuff that I'm working on. I'm still working full-time. As you guys know, I work night shift, so I'm still working, and then I'll go home, sleep, get up, and work on all these stuff that needs to be at the craft show. So the craft show is going to be the Spring Fling. So it's going to be April 12th and the 13th. And if you're local and you're watching this, it's going to be at the Colony Center Mall. So if you want to come on over and check me out and check out all the goodies that I'm going to be having at that craft fair, and you know, patronize me or bring some good words or something, just come and look, just come and check me out. Anyways, there goes Fiona. If you guys miss Fiona, she's always like the thing of the show in the summertime, in the springtime. She's like the some people call her the, what they call it, the foreman. Yeah, somebody call her the foreman because that's all she does. She loves the summertime. She like when it's warm weather, and she just like to sit and photobomb all my stuff. I didn't tell her to sit there. She just like to sit there because the sun is hitting that part. Sometimes she just lay there and just spread her on her on her back with all 4s up, just enjoying the sun. So yes, this is what it looks like. It's nothing crazy, but it actually spurred up my front door, so it doesn't look so bad. Like all winter, I have not used this front door because it was all ice. So anyways, that's why I haven't been posting, guys, because Shayna is busy preparing for the craft fair, for the Spring Fling craft fair, and also for the Mother's Day craft fair. And I'm also supplying local people, and I'm still working. Okay, so here I just opened the door so I can show you guys, what it looks like just at the front door. I'm not going to show you my own house, but what it looks like when you open the door and walk in. These are some what do they call this, olive trees that I have, and I kind of like just cut these little branches. Every year I kind of do this. If it's fall, I'll get fall branches and tape it to the stem. No, spring we do that. Put 2 eggs, nothing crazy, only because I have 2 eggs left over. Now it would look nice with more eggs, but that's all I have left over, so that's what I'm putting there. So again, I apologize for not having any videos, guys. If you guys are not new, this is a single one-woman show, so it's only me and it's only one person. I just could do that much, but I'm definitely going to come back in with some spring stuff because I already have my plants that I'm going to be planting. I'm not going to be doing a video of that, but as they grow, I will show you guys. So thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support, and just remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed. Bye for now, and thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Especially, I'm going to shout out Colleen. Colleen is my number one. She never fails to come back and check out. Even if she don't like what I'm posting, Colleen, big up yourself. Thank you guys so much.